Hello everyone. If you've accidentally deleted your Instagram account, there may be a way to recover it, depending on how long ago it was deleted. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app or go to the Instagram website, tap login, and enter your previous username, email, or phone number along with your password. If your account is temporarily disabled, you can simply log in and follow the prompts to reactivate it. If you permanently deleted your account, unfortunately, Instagram does not allow recovery after 30 days from deletion. In this case, you will need to create a new account. If you encounter any issues logging in, use the forgot password option to reset your password. Instagram will send a link to your email or phone to help you regain access. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Instagram regarding account recovery. For safety, always use a strong password and keep your email account secure to avoid future issues. That's it. Following these steps will help you recover or regain access to your Instagram account if possible.